In 2002, an amazing article was published in Harvard Business Review. It was called "Read a Plant Fast." And the article was about a guru who was able to go into a factory, and by asking a number of questions, he was able to set a diagnosis of the company's way of working. In this course, we do exactly that. But we're not bringing in a guru, we are making your managers or your employees into the guru, where you are able to set a self-diagnosis of your own way of working. Think about the doctor taking care of a patient. What the doctor does is to set the diagnosis in order to identify the sickness of the patient, and then he or she can actually cure the patient to become healthy. That's exactly what you are going to do with your own organization. You will be the doctor, you will set a self-diagnosis in order to know exactly what to improve in order to become much more productive, much more customer-oriented, and much more competitive within your industry. My name is Niklas Modig. I will teach you how to make a diagnosis of your own organization.